Welcome back. All right, today I'm installing the Lux TQX Smart Thermostat here in my house upstairs. This is honestly one of the easiest smart thermostats I've ever used. It's Matter ready, Wi-Fi connected, and budget friendly. And the best part, it works with Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Home with no brand lock-in. So it comes with everything you need. All the mounts, comes with the wall mounts, the desk mounts as well, the hardware kit, all the accessory packs. Right away, you can see the premium black glass design. It looks clean, modern, and expensive. They also include a wall plate, which is huge, especially if you're covering old marks or wall imperfections. So already, this is renter friendly and remodel friendly. I'm installing this upstairs because that's where temperature differences really show up. One room gets hot, another stays cool. That's where this thermostat and smart sensors really shine. You don't need to watch the whole install process. Just know it's simple and everything is configured directly on the device. No extra app is required. Now, this is the big feature. The Lux TQX Smart Thermostat uses Matter over Wi-Fi. That means it works with your preferred smart speaker, Google, Apple, or Alexa. To connect, you literally just scan the QR code. That's it. No complicated setup, no account juggling, no ecosystem lock-in. It connects instantly to your existing smart home. Quick heads up, to use all the smart features, you do need a smart speaker. So Alexa, Google Home, or Apple Home. That's what unlocks voice control, automation, and full Matter functionality. Now, let me show you one of my favorite features. The smart sensors. You can place these in different rooms. Bedroom, office, hallway. You can link up to 5 sensors. It comes with a desktop mount, a wall mount, and a wall corner mount. What this does is track occupancy. So instead of heating or cooling an empty room, it knows which room we're actually using, and it balances the temperature based on where we are. This is huge for comfort and energy savings. So if I'm upstairs working or sleeping, the system focuses on this area, not the empty guest room. It just makes sense. Watch this. As I walk by, the display wakes up automatically. And the brightness adjusts based on the room. No blinding light at night and no tapping the screen just to see the temperature. It feels very polished. Another underrated feature, the keypad pin lock. It's very easy to get to. Simply press settings. Go down to preferences. Hit OK. Go down to lock. Hit OK. And you can change the lock level and set your password very easily. All right here. If you've got kids or guests, you can lock it so no one randomly changes your settings. The TQX also includes a built-in humidity sensor, plus energy-saving features like scheduling, early recovery learning, and usage monitoring. Over time, this helps cut energy costs without sacrificing any comfort. And this works with almost everything: conventional systems, heat pumps, PTAC, and fan coil systems. So it's extremely versatile. Overall, the Lux TQX Smart Thermostat is exactly what a smart thermostat should be. Easy to install, easy to use, and actually smart. No extra apps, no ecosystem traps, just clean design and real functionality. If you want to check it out yourself, the link's below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Settings are very easy to get to. Simply tap that. Connectivity, this is where you can scan the QR code. Schedule, you can schedule on, off, energy saving. Here you can set up the sensors, max 5 sensors. Usage, preferences, you can change the display, lock. It's very easy to use, and I really love how it has the humidity.